Okay, what's up everyone? This is once again Teacher Nikoy, and today we will continue to discuss about the ellipse. So I'd like to say sorry because I'll be recording at the school and it will be much more noisier. There will be much more noise. Okay. So here we have an easy. So this is an easy example. So give the coordinates of the foci, vertices, co-vertex of the ellipse with this equation. So we have this equation: x squared over 169 plus y squared over 25 equals to 1. So we'd like to sketch that first. Wait, so what's the major axis? So major axis will be the one which has a longer diameter. So this could be the major axis, the x-axis. Okay, so it will be like this. Okay, then to put the major axis over there and the minor axis over here. Okay, so the center of this would be what? What would be the center? Center could be, yes, very good, because x has no, like that, well, there's no partner, so, and also y has no partner, so the center should be 0 0. Very good. Now the vertex or foci first, or we do the vertex. We do the foci first. So vertex is much easier to get compared to foci. To the foci, because why? Because, yeah, very good. Because vertices are just here, and we have the 169, which is the A. We know that this is A, and this is also A. So from the center to there, that is A. So we have already the A square, which is what? 169. We just square up that. Square root of that, then A is equals to what? We do the calculator technique. The 169 square root, it is square root of 13. So A is 13. Doesn't look like 13. Let's try another brush. Okay, 13. Nah, much more visible. Okay, so this is 13. So from this 0 to here, it is a negative, right? Because this is 0 0, and this could be what? 13 0. All right, so we have now one vertex, negative 13, and the positive 13 0. Also the covertex, these are the vertices. So, and this is the covertex. So covertex is also easier because we have already the b. Okay, the b square. So b square is equals to 25. We square root that, square root this, so b is equals to 5. So this is from the center to upward is 5. So we have this as what? 0 5. doesn't look like 0 5, so this is much more like that. 0 5, then here is 0 negative 5. Okay, so we have now the vertices, the vertex. Now the foci. How to get the foci? So we do the foci is here, right? So alright, so that's the foci. So we do the Okay, so we do the c square. C is equals to square root of a square minus b square. So we already know how to get this because we will what you call that, we will go back to the to how we get this formula. So from here, right, from here, okay, so we have the wait, okay, never mind that. So we have, where's the brush? We have a focus here and another focus over here. So we all know that if this one to this one is also the same as this one, okay, so we all know that. So this could be A, this could be B, and this could be C from here to here. Okay, so you get it now? Okay, so we now know where this came from. Then turn back to red. A square, so we have a square as square root of 169 minus b square. What's the b square there? Here is 25. C, so C is equals to 169 minus 25 is equals to 144. We square root that. It is 12. So from here, set the center to this focus, it is 12. Okay, so 12. So this focus would have negative 12, 0, and the other focus is positive 12 and 0. So let's check the answer if our answer is correct. Oh, it looks the same, right? Yeah, very the same. So here we have, of course, we will cut this because it's much easier to cut this one. Then we place it near our answers. Okay, so the answer would be, our focus is 12, negative 12, 0, and positive 12, 0. So this one is correct. And then our vertices will be 13, 0 and negative 13, 0. So check. Then 0 and 5, then 0, negative 5, another correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have already 6 points for this ellipse only. The next is the medium. My hand is hurting. Okay, so in this why I call this medium, because it is in the what? General form. So it is more difficult than compared to this one, the standard equation already. So here, what we will do is we will complete the square. We will arrange it first. So 41 x square, that doesn't look like an x square, x square plus 246 x. Okay, I know, I have an idea to make it more. Okay, 41 x square plus 16, no, 246 x, then plus, we don't know that, then plus 16y square plus, minus 192y plus, we don't know that, equals to 0 plus blank plus blank. Okay, so that will be that what would it looks like. Okay, So we have 41x plus 246 plus 4. My mistake here is I didn't get 41 first, so we will need to get 41 away from that. So 41 x, I forgot the x square. We'll put the x square there. 1 y square over there. So as you can see, it is difficult because you will perfect a square with this 41 over here. It's very difficult. So what we do is we get that 41 away from the equation. So x plus, what is 246 divided by 41? So 246 divided by 41 is equals to 6. So 6x plus blank, then we have that one. Okay, we will make it longer. So it means that if we go out from this open and close parenthesis, we need to multiply it by 41 first. Then plus, we'll get 16 also. So 16y square minus, what is 192 divided by 16? 192 divided by 16 is equals to 12. So 12y plus, we don't know this one still, so equals to 0 plus blank plus blank. Okay, so let's proceed. So how to get the perfect squares? We divided by 2. We get, so this one is, we divide this by 2 is equals to 3, then we square it is equals to 9. So here should be 9, then times we get that here, then times 49 before we put it here. So 9 times 41, we use the calculator. 9 times 41 is equals to 369. Okay, we have here 369. Wait, oh, it's not 0. We forget about this 289, so it will be moved here. So it should have negative 289 here, negative 289 also there. Okay, so we forgot about that 289. So always never forget something, so your answer won't be wrong. 246, do we have 246? Yeah. 192, yeah, this 289 was left behind, so okay, we got it all right. Then next is this one. So to get that one, we will first negative 12 divided by 2 is equals to negative 6, then we square that. It is equals to 6 times 6, 6 times 6, 36, but there's a negative, so negative times negative, it's, yeah, correct. So positive 36. So 36. Then we multiply that 36 times 16. We use our calculator technique. 36 times 16. Wait. 36 times 16 is equals to 576. Alright, correct. Okay, very good. We have a 576. Okay, so now we have a almost complete equation, so we will just rewrite that. So okay, so this is the more complete one. We forgot, always don't forget to put the what, yeah, the squares. Okay, there's a square here, then there's a square also there. Okay, wait, square here and square there. Okay, so we need to rewrite that. So we will need to get the roots. Okay, so 41 times, what's the root of this? It's x plus 9. No, x plus 3. Here, we have this here, the 3 square, so it's positive 3. So, x plus 3 to the power of square. We will leave that. I will just put that with my handwriting. Okay, then 16 times how much? Y. So it's negative here. It's negative 6. So minus 6 square is equals to negative 289 plus 369 plus 576. Okay, so we have that here. Don't forget to put the square. Okay, now we will add this up. We will sum this. We need to get the sum of this, so we will divide the sum of this to the following. We will divide it there. So we will use our calculator technique. Okay, so negative 289. Okay, so this negative 20 plus 369 plus 576 equals to 656. So here 600 red one, so 656 equals to, I will just copy this one, so I will not write it anymore. Okay, just like that. Very easy. Then I will divide this all by 656. So it is division, so I can distribute that. So it will not, it will not look like this, but as a separate one, can do that. So 656 and 656. Okay, so in dividing this one, if we do that, we'll have 41 divided by 656. It will be like this. So it's not ideal. So what I do is I'll divide it a different way. So 656 divided by 41 is equals to 16. I do like that. So here we have a x plus 3 square over how much that? 16 plus. So ellipse is always a plus. Then we divide 656 divided by 656 divided by 16 is equals to 41. So y minus 6 square over 41 is equals to, cancel that, and it will remain as 1. So we now have the what you call this, the standard equation. Okay, so now we have the standard equation. We need to get this one, the center, the focus, and the chord vertex. Okay, so we need what happened, we need to get this 3. All right, so transfer it there. So to get the center, we just look at this one, right? This x plus 3. So if we transpose that, it will become negative 3. So the x should be always here. Then y we transpose that, it will become positive 6. So that will be our center, negative 3 and positive 6. Then next will be our foci. Okay, so we have our a square and the b square. Oh no, this will be A, we all know that A is the longer diameter, so this will be, what's bigger, this should be the A, and this will be the B square. Excuse. Okay, now we have that, so we can get the length between the we will draw that. What is the major axis? It is the y axis. Okay, so our ellipse should look like this. Okay, so we know that so this is A, so our focus would be here. We will put green to our blue to our focus, like that, blue, blue. So that is our focus. So focus 1 and focus 2 should have, the x should not be moving because this is -3, then y is 6, so the x should not be moving, so -3 and -3, so our y will be the one moving. Then we have the a square and the b square, so we know that focus is the length here from the center to the focus is c, so c is equals to square root of a square minus b square. Okay, so what is our a square? So 41 square root of 41 minus b square is 16. So this is equals to 41 minus 16. Square root that is equals to 5. Okay, so from the center, we will move up and down. So we will minus 5 and plus 5. So 6 minus 5 is 1. 6 plus 5 is 11. So now we get our focus, our foci. Next is the, it's the vertex. So we'll change the color once again. Vertex. So the vertex is there and here. So vertex, we have vertex 1 and vertex 2. So we all know that still the x doesn't move, so we will put that there, then there. Okay, then what's next? We will get this distance from the center to here. So we all know that that is a. So we have here a square. A squares equals to 41. We square root that. We square root this. So a is equals to make sure, we'll calculate 41 square root. Alright, so it is square root of 41. So no need to, you can approximate it, but it's okay, let this. So this one, if we square root this and square root that, it will be b is equals to 4, correct? We'll check that. 16 square root, okay, 4. So this is a, we only need a, so from 6 we'll go up there to square root of 41. So we check the answer. Okay. They're not using approximation, so this one should be 6 plus square root of 41. Then here is 6 minus square root of 41. So this is 6 plus square root of 41. Then this one downstairs is 6 minus 41. Okay, so that's easy. Then we throw to the convertex. So convertex is, we know it's like that W. Convertex, not convertex, but covertex. So covertex is the minor axis. So this one here, we all know that this is B. So we have already B here. So what will be moving? The X or the Y? Of course, what is moving is now the X. So the Y is now stagnant. Okay, so we will move the X. So from negative 3, we will minus also, this is negative 3 here. We go there, we will minus the B. So negative 3 minus 4, it is negative 7. Then we will add that, it is negative 3 plus 4, it is 1. So we will check our answers if this is correct. Alright, so our answer is here. So as you can see with the graph, it is almost the same as ours. Right. Oh, look at that. It's almost the same. Okay, so we have here the answers. Post it there. So the answer should be, the center is negative 3 and 6 here, correct? Sorry. Focus is negative 3, 1 and negative 3, 11. Okay, correct. The vertices, we'll move it there. The vertices here, there's the vertices is negative 3, 6 minus square root of 41. So we have that, and 6 plus square root of 41. We have it also. Cone vertex negative 7, 6 and 1, 6. Okay, so we have this answer correct. Alright, so that's the medium. We have still 30 minutes to go. So this one is also a medium one. Okay, so you are given vertices with negative 10, 4 and 6, negative 4. Alright. So we need to plot that. So X, as you can see, the Y is not moving, so maybe it is an X axis here. It could be an X major axis. Okay, so we let this one as the negative 10. Wait. Negative 10, negative 4, and the other one is 6, negative 4. Co-vertex is negative 2. Oh, we got the center now. Negative 10, negative 4, 6, negative 2, negative 9. So this is negative 2, then this is negative, what happened to my 2? Negative 2, then this is negative 9. Sorry. Negative 9, then this is negative 2, then 1. So we have this co-vertex. So now we all know that the center is very easy. And the center should be negative 2 and negative 4. So we now have a center. So we can know that, we have now the center. Now we need to get the distance B and the distance A. Okay. So to get that, so here is A and this is also B. What happened to my A? So A and this is also B. Okay, so from here to here, so this is negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So A is equals to 8. And then from here to this, so this is negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2. Sorry for that. So let's repeat that. Negative 2, this is negative 1, this is 0, then 1, then wait. I'm wrong. I have mistaken that. You should count for the negative 9. Okay, this one, am I correct here? Negative 2 and 6, yeah. Then here is negative 4 to 9 because we are moving with the y-axis. So negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8, negative 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So B is equals to 5. Now we have the center, so we can conclude that x, if we transpose that, it will be plus 2 square. So ellipse is always a plus sign. Then y, if we transpose that, it will become plus 4, and then square. Then we have this here over here. So the longer should be a, right? So 8 square. So we can put 8 square, or 8 square is equals to 64, or 64. Then b is 5 square, or 25 is equals to 1. Okay, so we have this answer. So find its standard equation and its foci. Oh, we forget the foci. So we need to get the foci here. So to get the foci, we need to see square root of a square minus b square. So equals to a square. What is a square? 69 minus 25. Okay, 69 minus 25. We square root that. Okay, this square root of 44. It is correct. Oh, is that correct? We again minus 25, 44. Okay, square root of 44. Or it's okay. We can do that. Square root of 44, or we can reduce that. So how can we reduce that? They use square root of 39. What's wrong with you? Why there are square root of, what did I do here? 6. I put 69. It's 25, 39. This is supposedly 39. Sorry guys. Sorry. My mistake. Supposedly 64 because of my good handwriting. Okay, so now again, review your answers. Always review your answers. Okay, so we have now square root of 39. So the center, we all know the center is negative 2. Here we can see here we transpose the negative 2 and negative 4. Okay, so we will move, what we will move, moving the x. Okay, so the focus 1 and the focus 2 should have the same y. Okay, next we will do the center. So we will move the x this. So we have negative 2 plus square root of 39 and negative 2 minus square root of 39. So that's it. Okay, we will check our answer if it is correct. Okay, so our standard equation is the same. Okay, so our focus is also what? Negative 2 plus square root of 39 and negative 4 is also correct. So congratulations, we answered this correctly. So we're done with the easy and medium. So now we will take this to the next level with the difficult. Okay, it's more on a problem solving thing. Okay, so please read. No, I will read. A tunnel has the shape of a semi-ellipse that is 15 feet high at the center and 36 feet across the base. At most, how high should a passing truck be if it is 12 feet wide, or it will for it to be able to fit through the tunnel? Round off your answer to two decimal places. So if a truck will go in just like this in the tunnel, the wide tunnel, so how high should the truck be here? So we already have the A, and also this one is the B. Now we need this one, we just need that one. Okay, how high should that be? So to solve that point, so it's not that difficult, so you need just to get the standard equation. So the standard equation here, so we all know that it comes from the origin, so just x square plus y square over, what's the A? It's the 18 square over B, which y over 15 square equals to 1. Okay, so we know that x is 6, so we will just just like evaluating a function, we will just substitute 6 to the x, so 6 square over 18 square plus, what is y? We don't know y. 15 square equals to 1. So just like that, we will transfer this one to here, so y square over 15 square equals to 1 minus 6 square over 18 square. Okay, so we can manipulate that already. So transpose it there. No, not transpose, but multiply it, so it will be cancelled. So 1 minus 6 over 18 squared times 15 square. Okay, square, don't forget the squares. Okay, so y square is equals to 1 minus, what's this? So 6 square, 36. How about 18 square? 18 square, okay, it's manageable. So this is 36 over 18 square is 324 times 15. 15 square is 225. Now, so now we will have it. No, we can minus this one, then multiply that one, then we square root it. So okay, just like that. Okay, no, we will first do this one. 36 over 24, 6 divided by 324 is equals to 0.1111. Okay, so we will copy that, and 1 minus 0. Is equals to 0.8888 times 225 is equals to 200. So we have here, we need to square root it. The square root is 14.14. Okay, so this is our answer. So is it fit or is it okay? So it is fit. So we have 14.14 feet. So let's check if our answer is correct. 14.14 feet. So now it is correct. Okay, so we did what? It is almost the same what we did without even looking with the with this one. So that will be the final answer. So you can picture this one. It's more easier to look than my solution. Okay. Now here we have only an answer, but we have no solution. Okay. So the same question. The arc of a bridge is in the shape of semi-ellipse. So semi-ellipse. So just like the previous examples, semi-ellipse. Never mind the shape. Water level. So this is the water level. Then suppose that the arc is 20 feet high in the middle. So in the middle it is 20 feet. Okay, just put just 20 there. Then it is 120 across. So 120 across from here to here. Then the major other point at 20 feet from the center. So we move here. This one. This should be 20. So how high is this here? Okay, you get the point. Okay, so we have B. Now A is this one. The major axis is 120. So we divide it by 2. So we get A is equals to 60. Okay, we now get the standard equation. Okay, so still it is x square x square plus y square over so still it is an x major axis, then square, then 20 square equals to 1. Then if x is equals to 20, just like here, so we'll put 20 square over 60 square plus y square equals to 20 square equals to 1. So here we'll have this one, then we will transpose this here to here, right? We'll transpose that there, so it will be equals 1 minus, so we transpose this one to here. Okay, so that's it. Then we multiply by 20 square, so we can cancel this one. Is equals to 1 minus, okay, so y square, so we already squared that, so y, so we will need this. Okay, we will use our secret calculator technique. So 20 square equals to 400 over 60 square equals to 3600. Okay, so we have what to call it, 200 and 3600. So this is 200 and this is 3600. So if we divide it by 200 divided by 3600, it equals to 0.0005. Then 1 minus, wait, there's no answer. We will copy that one. Then 1 minus that answer is equals to 0.9444 times 20 times 400. Wait, what happened? I need this one. Okay, so this one times 400 is equals to, wait, what happened? Let's check. So 20 square is equals to 400. This is 3600. So wait, do we get something wrong here? No. So suppose so it was okay there. So 400 divided by 6. 400 divided by 3600 is equals to, hey, how did we get this answer? Because the hey, we have this in the previous example, right? It's still 0.1111. Maybe there's something in there. Then 1 minus that answer, I'll copy that. 1 minus that one is equals to 0.88. Then we times it with 20 square. 20 square is 400 is equals to 355.56. Then y is equals to, square of that, it was 1886. Okay, 18 here, 18, then we round this off to here, so 18.86 feet. So this is our final answer. Okay, 18.86. Alright. So for 46 minutes and 49 seconds. So that's it for today, guys. So we have 5 examples in 40 minutes. So if we will have a test, so you can answer 5 items in less than 40 minutes. So thank you guys for watching, and have a and hope you have learned something today, and God bless. Thank you.